The Waterdrop 5-stage water filter system offers a comprehensive filtration process that significantly reduces the presence of lead, chlorine, and other harmful contaminants, ensuring you have access to clean and safe water throughout your home. This system boasts a long lifespan with its high-quality filters requiring infrequent replacements, which means fewer disruptions and lower maintenance costs for homeowners. With its ability to maintain a stable water flow, the Waterdrop system ensures that your household receives a consistent supply of pure water without compromising on pressure. The installation process is user-friendly, allowing for a do-it-yourself setup with the aid of a provided wrench, making it accessible even for those new to plumbing. By safeguarding your water pipes and extending the life of your appliances, this filtration system proves to be a worthwhile investment for maintaining the integrity of your home's water infrastructure. Constructed with durable, food-grade materials, the Waterdrop system is built to withstand daily water pressure and offers peace of mind with its robust design.